What is the best humidifier for a bedroom? If you're struggling with dry air in your bedroom, especially during the cold winter months, you're probably wondering which humidifier is the best for your space. Let's break it down to help you make the right choice. First, consider the size of your bedroom. For smaller rooms like a dorm or a nursery, the Levoit Dual 150 Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is a great option. It's compact, fits easily on a nightstand, and has a 25-hour runtime with an automatic shutoff feature. This humidifier also has a top-fill design that makes refilling it mess-free and a 360-degree nozzle to direct the mist wherever you need it. For larger bedrooms or those who prefer more features, the Levoit Oasis Mist Smart Humidifier is highly recommended. This humidifier offers both cool and warm mist settings, which is great for different seasons. It has a clear tank and top-fill design, making it easy to clean and refill. The smart features include a touchscreen control panel and an app to monitor and control the settings remotely. It also has an essential oil tray and operates quietly, even on the highest setting. Another key factor is noise level. If you're a light sleeper, you'll want a humidifier that's almost silent. The Crane Droplet Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is known for its quiet operation and automatic shutoff when the tank is empty. It also doubles as a diffuser and has a built-in tray for essential oils or vapor pads. Maintenance is also crucial. Cool mist humidifiers, especially ultrasonic ones, can produce mineral dust if you use tap water, so using distilled water is a good idea. They also require regular cleaning to prevent mold and bacteria growth. The Levoit Classic Smart Humidifier, for example, is easy to clean and has a large 6-liter tank that provides up to 60 hours of operation. If you're concerned about energy efficiency, cool mist humidifiers are generally more energy efficient than warm mist ones. However, warm mist humidifiers can be quieter since they don't use a fan. The Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier, for instance, is quiet and has a 1-gallon capacity tank that lasts about 24 hours. In terms of additional features, some humidifiers come with refill indicators, night lights, and timers. The Drio Smart Humidifier, for example, has a powerful essential oil diffuser and is compatible with Amazon Alexa for voice control. So what is the best humidifier for your bedroom? If you need something for a small room, the Levoit Dual 150 is a great choice. For more versatility and smart features, the Levoit Oasis Mist Smart Humidifier is excellent. If quiet operation and ease of cleaning are your top priorities, the Crane Droplet or Levoit Classic Smart Humidifier might be the way to go. Ultimately, the best humidifier for you will depend on your specific needs, such as room size, desired features, and maintenance preferences. By considering these factors, you can find the perfect humidifier to keep your bedroom comfortable and your air fresh and moist.